how to go live on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you how you can go live on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go live on Facebook, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open the Facebook application here. Once you launch your Facebook app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is you want to make sure to tap the plus icon located at the top of the screen here, and you'll find post, story, reels and live, which is exactly what we're looking for. So tap the live option here, and as you do that, allow the Facebook app to access the camera and microphone, and here you'll be able to see your live video. Now you can simply actually switch this to, let's say, front camera or the back camera, just like this, by tapping the rotate option. You can add a music video, you can use some flashes if you'd like, you can invite people, and now you can tap the go live option in order to begin going live on Facebook. This way you can go live on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.